Hi, I'm Becky. In this video I'm going to show you how to mulch your roses. Mulching is the addition of a protective layer around the base of your roses which helps to suppress weeds, retain moisture and provide valuable nutrients. We recommend mulching your roses between late March and early April straight after feeding. In order to start your mulching, depending on the size of your area, you'll either need a spade or a trowel, a pair of gloves and a bag of Carr's Special Organic Soil Improver. The method is the same for all roses, but today I'm going to be demonstrating it on an English climber and a rambling rose. I'm spreading a 1 to 2 inch layer of mulch around the base of the rose and across the width. Over the next few months, the mulch will break down, adding vital nutrients to the soil, improving the aeration as worms come up to take the organic matter down. As you can see, mulching is a simple task and it gives a lovely finish to the border for the rest of the season.